In the heart of the historic town of Buea, town of legendary hospitality, nestled at the foot of Mount Cameroon, Data Girl Technologies brought its STEM Reach project to the Buea Town community, a project dedicated to empowering 50 women and girls with essential digital skills. Here is their story.
Hello everyone, I'm Precious Nathan and we are live at Buea Town, and this is a STEM Reach project at the second location, and so far it's been so amazing. Watching these women come every day, who started off, did not even know how to turn on the computer, but now seeing them doing amazing projects using PowerPoint, using Excel, using Microsoft, just goes a long way to see that what we are doing is creating a lot of impact.
Hello everyone, my name is Haizela Chunga. I'm a full-stack web developer and I'm a trainer at Data Girl Technology. It's been an amazing project, meeting young ladies who don't know computer, and at the end of the day or at the end of the project, they're able to present a project is impactful, is innovative, and is very good.
What I learned, I could do it.
Now, women creating impact. So most of the companies that we have nowadays is mostly
It became difficult for me. It became so difficult, and I did something to do that. I don't want people to lose it, and I don't want you people to take it for granted. I know you will gain a lot. Fine, I'm very happy, but make sure that you implement what you've learned to build your capacity more.
The unique thing about the STEM Reach projects are always the impact stories. Here at Buea Town, we have one of our students who left school 5 years ago and she's not doing anything. And so for the first time, she got introduced to tech, and it's really been a great impact seeing her life change, after 5 years of not doing anything, not going to school. Now we are hoping for the best for her. And this is the special thing about the STEM Reach projects.
So my name is Rashida Amadu.
I am called Amin Raisa.
My name is Mange Sharon Emily.
My name is Aisha Yusuf.
My name is Nalova Ethel.
Actually, when I heard of it, I thought it was a joke. First of all, because it's free.
I knew nothing about computer.
Within these 2 months, we have been able to cover basic things on Microsoft Word, MS Excel, and PowerPoint.
So far, I've been able to meet with other women who have the same interests as myself.
The difficulties I had was because I have a kid, I'm only, and I have problems with my father's child, and he is not taking responsibility of his child. But the main thing that pushed me to go through was my dream. Like I wanted to do something for myself because I'm a tailor, and I wanted to do something else for myself. I wanted to do computer, so I went for it. I didn't let my dreams lose the race. I had to push my dreams every day, telling me, what are you going to do? What are you going to do to work? I'm like, I'll go and learn. I won't let down my dreams. I was like, okay, and I've learned, I've graduated. Thank you very much, Data Girl. I'm grateful. Thank you, FIDA FOC and Madam Hazel. We are grateful.
We attended a program with a NEFTech the other day on which they taught us how to work or manipulate drones, and it was quite very, very amazing. Thank you.
I only stopped by a couple of times, but during those times I saw engagement, and of course with the feedback from the team, it was evident that you guys were very engaged. When some of you even came without no prior knowledge and even how to open the computer on and things like that, feel free to take upon yourselves to use the lab. Call a friend if you're confused, ask a friend. You guys work together. That's the only way we can reach this digital gap in the ecosystem. What will bring us joy is to look back 3, 4, 5 years from now and see that this very little skill that you've acquired within this short period of time has grown to become something of great impact, not just for you, your community or your household, but your entire community pretty much. We're going to be offering this particular set 50% discount on all our courses. Whichever one you want to.
Yes, not clap tonight.
Whichever one.
Women who have impact these women so wonderful that we can boast outright and say that, okay, these people from Data Girl can do something out there. And I just want to say thank you, Data Girl.
So we want to say thank you to the women being for partnering with us. We want to say thank you to Freestyle Fund. Thank you to Neftech who came in and did some amazing work with the drone flying and introduction to hardware. We hope that this goes a long way to continue to impact many lives in the Buea Town community. So we are hoping for more partnerships. Join us if you can, and see you in the next location.